You're watching the Weiss Channel. Da 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 da. All right. Today we are going to multiply rational expressions. It's very easy. Just watch, okay? For example, do you remember? All right. 2/5 times 3/7. Essentially, all you have to do is take 2 times 3, 5 times 7. This is basically all we have to do when multiplying rational expressions. For example, go ahead. I heard it. What? AB over CD. Okay? AB over CD. Now, here's the one thing we can do, though, when we have a situation like this. 3 over 5 times 7 over 9. 3 and 9 have a number that both numbers are divisible by. For example, what number goes into 3 that also goes into 9? 3, right? So we can do what's called canceling. Do you remember canceling? In canceling, I do this. And I say, how many times does 3 go into 3? Once. How many times does 3 go into 9? 3 times. And now I just multiply. What's 1 times 7? 7. What's 5 times 3? 15. Done. Okay? Same thing works with letters. I have a B here, I have a B here. They just cancel. What are you left with? A over C. Done. Okay? That's how you do it. Now, here, okay, it looks really difficult, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we have already done factoring. We're just going to bring back some factoring here. So, this factors. What times what makes x squared? X times x. What times what makes negative 18 that combined, added together, makes positive 7? 9 and negative 2. Plus 9 minus 2 over x plus 3. Now, what cancels? What cancels, see this x plus 9? The entire thing. With this x plus 9. What's left? X plus 8 times x minus 2 all over x plus 3. Done. There's no more that you do with that. All we're doing is factoring and canceling and writing out what's left. Okay? Same thing. 1 over x minus 7 times. Now, you see 7 and 49? What's common? 7, right? I'm going to pull out a 7. There's 2 x's here and 1 x here. How many x's are common? Just how many x's are common?
1.
Only 1, right? Because there's only 1 here, so there's 1 x common. Okay? I took out 7 and an x. What's left here? Just x, right? Minus, I took out a 7 and an x. A 7 is left. That's it, right? Over x minus 3. What cancels? X minus 7. What's left? 1 times 7x, 7x over x minus 3. Done. Okay? Same thing here. What's common to both of these numbers? 2. And how many m's? 1m, right? There's a 2m that's common to both. Once I take it out, I took out a 2 and an m. What's left here? 1m, right? I took out a 2 and an m from here. 7 and the m is taken out already, right? Okay? Yes, we're good?
Wait, why is it did you
I took out 2m. 2m times 7 is 14m, right? So I took out a 2m from here and here. Does that make sense? We're good? Over 2m times 8 over. What times what makes m squared? M times m. What times what makes 63 that added together makes 16? 9 and 7. Now, the m plus 7s cancel. What else cancels? The 2m, right. Very good. This 2m cancels with this 2m. What's left? 8 over m plus 9. Okay? One more. See? What's common to these two guys? 4 and how many p's? 1 p. Took out a 4 and a p. What's left here? 1 p, right? Minus, I took out a 4 and a p. What's left here? Just the 4. Very good. Over. What times what makes p squared? P times p. What times what makes negative 36 that added together makes positive 5? Plus 9 minus 4. Okay. Over here, p plus 5 over 4p. What cancels? The 4 p's cancel. What else cancels? P minus 4. What's left? P. Very good. P plus 5 over P plus 9. That's all you have to do. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da 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 da.